load frequency control for a single area system required two inputs. One is del PC from speed changer command, and another one is external load disturbance del PD. So for doing this uncontrolled case, we are going to maintain the command signal from the speed changer as 0. So here we are having two areas, so the values del PC1 and del PC2 will be 0. So and only the remaining del PD1 and del PD2 going to be the inputs for the two area load frequency controls. So now after substituting these conditions in a general block diagram, we can get this equation, that is del Pg1 static and del Pg2 static as the minus of 1 by R into del F statics. So we are going to substitute these conditions, that is del PC as 0, and after we can cascade this speed governor and turbine, and by cascading these two we can equate del Pg of S as minus 1 by R into del F of S. So like in this manner we can get this value del Pg1 and del Pg2. So now we are going to substitute these values in the general power balance equations. So the power balance equation is nothing but the change in difference between the power generation and power demand equal to the power loss. So here it is one is due to the change in the kinetic energy, and another one is due to the incremental change in the power demand, and now due to the inclusion of tie line we are having the change in the tie line power. So this is the general power balance equation for two area system. Now we are going to replace this del Pg1 by its value in terms of speed regulation and frequency. And here we are considering only the power demand as the input. So we are going to consider this change in kinetic energy as 0, because we have removed the input coming from the command signal. So command signal is nothing but it is going to give a signal either to rise or lower the power generation. So here we are not having any such instructions or the command signal to the particular load frequency control system. So we can bring this term as 0, because we are not going to alter our power generation based on the command signal received from speed changer. So here we have taken the value of this first term as 0, and rest we are going to consider for the frequency for static variable, and frequency for second area also as a static variable. So here in equation 2, here we are writing this, instead of writing this as del P tie 2, we are writing in terms of del P tie 1, and we know the relation between del P tie 2 and del P tie 1. So this is the change what we have done in the general power balance equation for two area system. So now we are going to substitute equation number 1 in equation number 2 in order to get the value for del P tie 1 static, and by doing so we can get these equations, and at last we are going to do some corrections, I mean for approximations in the parameters what we have obtained from this equation. So here we are having a beta 1 and beta 2. So we are going to bring this to a constant value, that is beta, and a1 2 as minus 1. So by replacing all such values in the previous equations, we can get the final equation for the uncontrolled static response for two area system, del F stat and del P tie 1 stat.